delve into the art of creating refined living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are exploring a movement that is changing the way we look at our backyards. Xeriscaping. The meaning of xeriscape landscaping comes from the Greek word xeros, which means dry. Simply put, it is a style of landscaping and gardening that reduces or eliminates the need for supplemental water from irrigation. While many people think this just means dirt and rocks, it is actually a sophisticated design philosophy that uses native plants, efficient irrigation, and soil grouping to create a vibrant, living ecosystem that thrives in its natural environment without being a drain on precious water resources. The benefits of transitioning to a xeriscape landscape extend far beyond just saving water, though that is a massive primary advantage. By choosing drought-tolerant plants and reducing turf areas, homeowners can see a significant reduction in their monthly utility bills, often by 50% or more. Beyond the financial savings, xeriscaping is incredibly low maintenance. You can say goodbye to the endless cycle of weekly mowing, fertilizing, and weeding that a traditional lawn demands. Furthermore, it is an environmentally conscious choice that provides a habitat for local wildlife and pollinators while preventing soil erosion. In many regions, a well-executed xeriscape even increases property value because modern buyers are looking for sustainable, set-it-and-forget-it outdoor beauty. Decorating a xeriscape to look high-end and intentional requires a focus on texture, layers, and focal points. To make your xeriscape look good, start by using a variety of hardscape materials like river rocks, pea gravel, or decomposed granite in contrasting colors to create natural pathways and define zones. Incorporate living art by grouping plants with different heights and foliage colors. Think silvery blue succulents paired against deep green shrubs or bright purple salvia. Use boulders and driftwood as sculptural elements to add vertical interest and break up flat areas. Lighting is also key. Adding low-voltage LED uplights to a dramatic cactus or a beautiful stone path can transform your garden into a magical high-contrast space after the sun goes down. When selecting the best items for your xeriscape, you want to prioritize durability and regional appropriateness. Succulents, agaves, and ornamental grasses are the holy trinity of xeriscaping because they offer year-round structure with minimal thirst. High-quality landscape fabric is an essential hidden item to prevent weeds from poking through your gravel. For functional beauty, consider adding weather-resistant seating like cedar Adirondack chairs or stone benches that blend into the earthy palette. Decorative mulch, such as bark or crushed stone, is vital for moisture retention around your plant's roots. Finally, don't overlook a smart drip irrigation system. Even though these gardens are water-wise, a targeted delivery system ensures your plants stay healthy during extreme heat waves without wasting a single drop. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best xeriscape landscaping ideas to inspire you for your next project. The Wildflower Stone Path. This stunning design features a winding flagstone staircase that cuts through a lush hillside of drought-tolerant perennials. By using purple catmint and red tubular flowers, this look proves that dry doesn't have to mean colorless, creating a soft, romantic transition through a sloped yard. 2. Modern Desert Lounge. This idea focuses on creating a functional living room outdoors using fine gravel as a floor. The combination of architectural trees providing light shade and low-growing purple lantana creates a cozy, private nook perfect for afternoon relaxation without the need for a thirsty lawn. 3. The Serene Rock Stream. By mimicking the look of a natural dry creek bed, this design uses large river boulders and smooth stepping stones to guide the eye. The addition of a small, recirculating water feature adds a cooling sensory element while keeping the overall water usage extremely low compared to a traditional pond. For the sculptural cactus courtyard. This design treats plants like statues. Large golden barrel cacti and tall succulents are spaced out on a clean sand and gravel bed, accented by stacked stone cairns. This is a high-art approach to landscaping that requires almost zero pruning or watering. 5. Mediterranean agave frontage. For a sophisticated curb appeal, this look utilizes various species of agave and blue fescue grass. The different shades of blue, teal, and sage green create a cooling visual effect against the warm tones of the home, proving that xeriscaping can look incredibly lush and expensive. 6. Prickly pear driveway border. This idea uses structural cacti and purple sage to line a concrete driveway. The contrast between the jagged rocks and the round pads of the prickly pear adds immediate texture, while the yellow flowering shrubs provide a pop of brightness that thrives in the heat. 7. Minimalist Zen rock garden. Focusing on less is more, this design uses large, smooth monolith stones as the primary focus. Surrounded by dark river pebbles and bright green foxtail ferns, this layout creates a peaceful, contemporary vibe that feels more like a gallery than a backyard. 8. Geometric gravel beds. This layout uses metal edging to create sharp, clean lines between different colors of gravel. Large orange-toned rocks are placed strategically to look like fallen mountain fragments, providing a modern, industrial take on the traditional rock garden. 9. The arid botanical walkway. This idea features raised rusted steel planters that hold specimen trees, surrounded by a sea of light-colored pebbles. The repetition of yellow barrel plants along the border adds a rhythmic, professional touch to a wide-open front yard space. 10. Contemporary turf and slate. For those who still want the look of green grass, this design incorporates high-quality artificial turf bordered by a stacked stone wall and dark slate chips. It provides the perfect green look for kids or pets without a single drop of water needed for maintenance. Xeriscape landscaping is more than just a trend. It is a smart, beautiful, and sustainable way to reclaim your time and protect our environment. Whether you prefer the wild look of desert flowers or the clean lines of a modern rock garden, there is a Xeriscape style that will perfectly complement your home's architecture. By choosing the right plants and materials, you can create an outdoor oasis that looks stunning in every season while being incredibly kind to your wallet. If you enjoyed these Xeriscape inspirations, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more weekly home and garden tips. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear if you're planning to ditch your lawn this year. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a transformation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.